Journaling is a powerful tool to help you grow personally, professionally, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Many therapists like me have recommended journaling as a powerful way to heal from past experiences and to vision a present and a future that you truly desire to create. And in this video, I'm going to give you 6 tried and true tested methods to help you use this powerful personal development tool of journaling to assist you in expansion and growth in every area of your life. Hi, I'm Dr. Meg Haworth. I'm the founder of the Holistic Academy of Intuitive Arts and Sciences, and my signature course, Evolving Intuition, Building Self-Trust for Life, group coaching and certification program. As a holistic intuitive therapist and nutritional chef, I have recommended journaling to thousands of people over the last 25 years of practice. Journaling, along with meditation, are 2 of the most powerful ways to expand in every area of your life. Journaling can fast track your growth in a very short period of time. You may want to begin by journaling every day, or you may want to wait until the inspiration hits you. But in the following 6 journaling methods, you'll be supplied with so many great ways to help you with your journaling that you're just going to want to write at least a little something each and every day. So here they are. Number 1, write down what's bothering you. This is what most people think about when they begin journaling, and the page is just a place to vent and get your frustrations out. It's a very important step in your journaling process and the best place to begin. But it's not the only thing that journaling is for, which leads me to number 2. Number 2, turn around your venting session by asking for help from your intuitive guidance or the universe or whoever you ask help from. Now, you've heard the old adage, ask and ye shall receive. Use the pages of your journal to ask for help with the problem that you've just written about. For instance, if you just wrote about how you don't feel heard by your significant other, now write down, please help me express myself in a way that can assist both of us for a great outcome. Now, you make the request that you want, and then you wait. You look for signs to come to you. Perhaps someone suggests a book about communication in relationships, or a friend tells you something about their relationship that's exactly what you needed to hear. Or you may receive an answer in meditation to help you with the problem that you just journaled about and asked for help about. Journaling doesn't have to be just giving your problems over to the page. It's also a place for solutions too. Number 3, write out a vision for your day, your week, your month, your year, or even longer. How would you like your day to go? Write it down. Your month or your year. I like to lay out 12 cards from my favorite inspirational deck of cards for each month of the year on New Year's Day. And this is a great exercise to set the tone for the new year. You can also do this exercise on your birthday. So I also pick a theme for the year, then I revisit that regularly in my journal as something to write about. Your vision helps you get clear on what you like to have happen in your life, and it helps your subconscious mind create a new possible neural pathway in your brain and your body. So write down the vision and let go of the outcome. It will nearly always come to you in a much better way than you could have imagined it. Number 4, write requests from the universe, prayers, affirmations, or other positive outcomes that you would like to experience. Now, I'll often write out prayers in my journal. I especially love to do this at the end of the journaling session so that I leave the time with my journal feeling really great. I also go back to the journal and read these prayers and these affirmations from time to time. What's really cool is that I will often see that the prayer got answered or the affirmation happened. It's another way of visioning. To learn more about affirmations, see my video on affirmations to help you open up your intuition. Number 5, write down ideas you have. inspirational quotes, poems, lyrics, sketches, doodles, essays, or any other creative outlets that you may have. Or perhaps you don't even know that you have them because you've never actually done it before. So this is another fun thing to flip through an old journal to discover an idea that you wrote down 2 years ago may pop in front of you on the page, and now it's the perfect time to implement it. Number 6, stream of consciousness journaling. This is perhaps the most popular kind of journaling. You may begin with a topic that you would like to explore, like compassion, for instance, and how it plays out in your life. You just begin to write out everything that comes to your mind about compassion, what it means to you, how you access it, what you understand about it, and how you would like to expand your awareness of it. Or you can just write a general mind dump of whatever it is that comes to you. Perhaps the most popular form of stream of consciousness journaling comes from the book The Artist's Way. In an exercise called the Morning Pages, you write out 3 pages of whatever comes to mind in the morning. And this is when you're waking up and your mind is wide open to give and receive inspiration. This exercise is a powerful tool for your growth and for your development. Journaling is a wonderful way to access and expand your intuition, your personal inner voice, and your guidance system. To learn to develop your intuition and get certified to use whole person integration technique, it's a core negative belief and emotional release process done on yourself and your clients. Please sign up to talk to me for free in the links below in the description and in the comments. And if you like this video and it's helping you, please let me know in the comments below, and feel free to ask me any questions and make requests for future videos. Now, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future videos that come out every single Thursday. Your intuition is perhaps the most powerful asset that you have. Making it the best by developing it with me in Evolving Intuition, Building Self-Trust for Life will help you in every area of your life. So again, book a free call with me to see if this powerful course and certification is right for you. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please check out my video library on my YouTube channel at Dr. Meg Haworth. My wish for you is that journaling will change your life in powerful ways. I know it's changed mine. Try it and let me know how you do.